In this video, we will be showing you how to redeem your Atomos loyalty voucher to get $500 off the all-new Atomos Ninja V Plus Pro Kit. The special is running now through September 30th, 2021. This loyalty voucher is available for owners of the following: the Shogun, Shogun Flame, Shogun Inferno, and Shogun 7. It is also available for the Ninja Inferno, Ninja Flame, and Ninja Assassin. The Ninja V Plus is the latest and most advanced Atomos monitor recorder, bringing the ability to capture incredible 8K ProRes RAW and jaw-dropping 4K 120p ProRes RAW from selected cameras. With the Pro Kit, you are ready to record from almost any camera, from compact HDMI mirrorless to professional SDI cameras from Sony, Red, Arri, Panasonic, and more. The Ninja V's ultra-reliable recording and monitoring is now future-proof and SDI ready. The Ninja V Plus Pro Kit comes complete with a selection of hand-picked accessories to elevate your experience straight out of the box. To redeem your voucher, the first thing you need to do is create an account at my.atomos.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. Next, you want to register your unit. In this case, we are registering our Shogun Inferno. Enter its information. The serial number can always be found just under the barcode of the Atomos unit. Once all the information is entered, complete the register. Now the voucher will become available. Simply click Redeem Voucher and wait for the download. Once downloaded, open the PDF document. In this document is the QR code needed to redeem the voucher. Do not redeem the voucher yourself. Do not scan the QR code. This will invalidate your voucher and prevent you from saving $500. Instead, send your QR code to your local dealer. They will then send you a quote with the $500 off. For further information, check out the description below or feel free to give us a call and we'll be glad to answer any questions that you have. Now you know how to redeem your Atomos loyalty voucher to get $500 off the all-new Atomos Ninja V Plus Pro Kit, which is running now through September 30th, 2021.